You're using your brain wrong. Intelligence is not fixed. Your brain can grow smarter. Scientists proved this decades ago. Most people waste it. You're losing intelligence daily. Screen time averages 7 hours. That's 7 wasted hours. Short videos shrink attention spans. Focus now lasts just 47 seconds. It was 12 minutes. Before smartphones, poor sleep destroys your memory. 70% of adults are sleep deprived. Chronic stress kills brain cells. Cortisol shrinks your hippocampus. Poor diet lowers your IQ. Sugar intake is dangerously high. Processed food reduces brain function. Social media creates anxiety loops. Anxiety blocks memory formation. Most people constantly multitask. Multitasking drops performance by 40%. Your environment shapes intelligence. Noise pollution kills concentration. Blue light disrupts melatonin production. Less novelty dulls your neurons. Most people avoid discomfort, but discomfort is where growth lives. Your brain needs a system. 30 days is enough time. Results compound with consistent action. Small, consistent steps work best. Neuroplasticity is real and proven. New neural paths form daily. Exercise boosts BDNF by 200%. BDNF grows your brain cells. Just 20 minutes walking works. Sleep consolidates all new memories. Aim for 8 hours nightly. Deep sleep clears brain toxins. Cold showers boost dopamine 250%. Dopamine fuels focus and drive. Read 20 minutes every day. Reading builds stronger neural networks. Active recall beats passive reading. Test yourself, not just reread. Spaced repetition locks in knowledge. Review again after 24 hours. Writing notes triples your retention. Handwriting beats typing for memory. Meditation grows gray matter fast. Just 8 weeks changes everything. Mindfulness reduces cortisol by 31%. Lower cortisol means better memory. Omega-3 fats boost brain speed. Eat salmon, walnuts, and flaxseed. Even 2% dehydration hurts focus. Drink water before each task. Learn one new skill daily. Novelty triggers fresh dopamine release. Teaching locks learning in permanently. Your morning sets the tone. Build your morning brain routine. Wake up without your phone. Hydrate first before anything else. 5 minutes of deep breathing. Breathing increases oxygen to brain. Plan your top 3 priorities. Morning focus beats night cramming. Single task for 90-minute blocks. Block all distractions during focus. Silence your phone every session. Take breaks every 90 minutes. Walk outside to reset brain. Nature walks boost creativity 60%. Journaling clears your mental clutter. Write 3 key daily wins. Gratitude reduces stress hormones significantly. Learning a language boosts cognition. Music training rewires your brain. Puzzles build problem-solving pathways fast. Social connection sharpens your mind. Isolation shrinks brain function. Cut alcohol for sharper thinking. Quit sugar for brain clarity. Consistency beats intensity every time. Track your progress every day. What gets measured gets improved. Build habits, not motivation. Start small, stay consistent always. Your brain reflects your habits. Your smarter self starts today.